Okay, the next market, crude oil. Crude oil, very easy market to trade and with big profits. And crude oil is coming down. Here we are on China 50. Why will the prices of crude oil go down? First, fundamentally, we see here that the China index, economic index, and also the prior economic data of China and their neighbor countries are very weak. That's indicating also a very low demand for oil if the economic situation of China is low. And we see that the trend is already short, longer time. We go back now to oil market and we see here that in 2020, from 2020, we had a peak to 100, around 128, and from then the market came down. Go on my Tradingview page, there's the whole situation. I will explain how to read the chart. We see here that the other fundamental news are that Iran is boosting and growing up now their oil production. We see now on the chart that the market has already regularly is making higher low lows and low highs. I have already been making different scenarios for you. The first scenario is if the oil price is getting up again, and this is this green route, as you can see here. If we have a break above 100, about 85 to 90, and oil has to stay there for more than 3 days and close above that, then we will go higher again to $100 direction. At the moment, we have also a wedge. We see that already the stochastics and also volatility are already down, and that's indicating that the trend, the downtrend, is confirming. The first scenario is that we will come back to 60. We go back after a correction again to the prior low value of the volume profile to 75, the market cracks down. The second scenario is we will having a big consolidation here around 64 because of the summer pause, and then slowly breaking the resistances down. And the last scenario is that we will have a new catalyst in the market and we crack down, going back at this level at about 40 to 45, what is the high of 22 after COVID time, and we will have a correction. The market will go down to the $30 direction. Now on the 30-minute chart, we see priorly, so that the trend continuations. Already these are all these red lines that are indicating the market is on trend down. We have the volatility still here becoming from green, from red to green. What's a sign that now the trend down or bearish trend is maintaining, and we have already reached peak on the stochastic, what was bullish for the last days, and now we wait only for the last signal to get down. After getting down here, this is the pivot of the last 2 weeks. If we go down here, the market will crap down to around 65 and then 52. Technically, we see here that oil already has broken at this level. We're waiting for the last confirmation of the stochastic. If the stochastic becomes bearish and red, it is an indication that our breakdown out of this trend line has been broken and is confirmed, and the market will go down, but the trend is still bearish.